Hello, everyone. My name is Darrell Brown. I'm graduating senior from Jacksonville, Florida, CIS major. I'm here today on behalf of my team, Tremia McGee, Cindy Patterson, and then Dia Dart, to present to you our application. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my screen with you all. All right, let's see here. Okay, so this is our poster board for the project. Take It, that's the name of our application. As you can see, I have the teammates' names listed here, as well as our wireframes. All right, so as far as the wireframes, they show you pretty much a explanation on how the application will be running and the different features from logging in and signing up, registering, making a post, taking a picture, commenting, adding the price, and all the other different things. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. People struggle to find a platform to simply buy and sell products in the palm of their hands. The Take It is a mobile application that allows users to post, sell items that they no longer need or use. This application allows users to go through a simple process to earn extra money. Not only is this application essential for users who enjoy selling used products, but also for small business people who have, things to sell and are looking for a new audience. All right. As far as the technology used, Android Studios, which we use for the front end and the back end of the Take It app. That's where we did all our coding and setting up the application altogether. GitHub was also used to source our project. We branched off each other's work to keep our code clean and error-free. Within GitHub, we also used the task feature to ensure all tasks were completed before its desired deadline. So basically, we pretty much used GitHub as an all-around project management tool for us, as well as deploying our code so that everyone else on the team can see it. If we needed help with any code, we were able to, make different branches so that the main branch was clean. And if we had any other issues, it was in a branch. So forth and so on. Also, the Take It app uses Back for App as API. All listing content, profile content is stored within the Back for App. The 4 different databases that we created within the Back for App database was the session, user, comment, and listing. All right. So as far as the process, first, we brainstormed all the attributes that we may need to include for this app. We then decided that we were going to use Back for App as our API database and set up parse within our application on Android Studios. Once parse was set up and completed, we started by setting up our homepage and sign up page. Then we created our fragments within the application to ensure we had a composed listing page, profile page, and homepage. Once this was all completed, we moved forward with being able to add a new listing to a user's profile by storing information from the database on Back for App. We then moved on to allowing users to comment on listings and allow for a listings comment to be displayed under the listing. The final functionality added was allowing for our application to use the location of a post to be displayed and saved to the Back for App database. So in conclusion, our knowledge on adapters increased. We learned that it makes scrolling data functionality very simple. We also gained a better understanding that using parse also is extremely important to have knowledge of front end and back end development in order to complete a full functioning application. Overall, we believe that the most challenging part throughout this whole project was using GitHub as a collaborative tool. Through teamwork and dedication, we were able to overcome this challenge and complete our mobile application successfully. So for majority of me and my teammates, GitHub was the first time that we used GitHub as more or less like a project management tool. We've used it before as far as adding code and everything, but as a full, all around project management tool. This was our first time in doing so. So like I said here, you see the wireframes of the different things that you're allowed to do on this app and what all the app does. So now we're going to actually get into the application itself. All right. And as you can see here, this is an example of us creating the app, the layout of the app, as far as like what the user would be seeing if they're on the app, but in its design element. So here is the listing, the actual post that someone would make. You see, it has their, seller, their username is going to display their username, the actual product name, waffle maker, coffee iron, or whatever, someone wants to add on here to sell. The picture of the image of said image, the actual price, description, recycle view for, more items and listings on the page. You're able to add a comment and everything like that. These are the different fragments. This is an example of what the user profile would look like, what someone's comment would look like. Like I said, listing, someone actually registering. So you kind of get an idea how we set this up from start to finish. The adapters used up here, the different fragments, register activity, what you do when you click certain things, if else statements for certain functions, and this and the code of the application all ties in with the layouts. Let's see what else. The main activity, parse application. This is how we implemented this is how we implemented our parse database into the application. Profile fragments. Post, what's all included in the post. These are also for the buttons, the description, the price, everything that we, seen early on. What happens when you click a certain button, different things like that. So, yeah. All right. Now we're going to get into the actual run of this application. Let's see here. It's already, it's already here. Let's see. All right. So here it is, the Take It app. And as you can see, this is the login page. We have, username, password. If you already have an account, you just, boom, simply log in. And then also you'll be able to register. I'm going to log in first to pretty much show you how it would look if you're already an existing user. All right. So the login was successful. Now you're able to see everyone's posts. It kind of puts you in the mind of a, social media platform, the way it's laid out, name of the person, location, the actual post, the price, comments as well. Like, let's just say I'm interested in this coffee maker. I can click on it, type my comment here. Hey, all right. So yeah, the comment has now been posted. All right, and then you can see more listings here. As well as our own personal listings. Like I said, when you go to the person's actual, from the home, and you go to the person's actual profile, you can see what's already been listed here on that person's particular page. right? And boom, you can go here and create a post yourself. Just put the name of it, the description, the price. You're able to take a picture. Obviously it's emulated. So, all right. Now I'm going to, where is it? I'm going to take you to the actual registering in the app. So go to the profile. I'm able to log out. Boom. Now I can click on register. I can type an email. So I'm just going to, let's see. So I'm just going to type this to show you that it actually picks up on the email. Password, verify the password. So yep, email address isn't invalid. So you have to put, you have to put put the valid form of the email. So show you this here. All right, now I'm signed up and I'm a user. I can make posts now. I can comment on a person's post. And also you can see that comment I made earlier. Hey, I'm interested in buying this. So the comment is saved into the database and everything, as well as the listings and all of that. I take you to my profile. It's just a basic profile page. I don't have any listings yet. I'm able to log out. I'm able to create a new post, take a picture and everything like that. All right, let's see here. All right. And yep, there you have it. That's pretty much our application there. Let's see here. And yep, like I said, it's a similar to like an app like OfferUp, where someone can go on there, buy, sell things and any items they need. And yep, that's pretty much it for the app. Thank you all.